Many Floridians use fertilizer to grow healthy lawns and landscapes. Fertilizer helps supply your plants and turf grass with the nutrients they may need. However, it's important that we fertilize the Florida-friendly way, which means to follow fertilizing guidelines that help protect Florida's many water bodies. Did you know that the same nutrients found in fertilizers can have a negative impact on local water bodies? Heavy rain washes nutrients from your lawn into the street and storm drains, eventually reaching local water bodies. Excess nutrients contribute to excess algae growth in water bodies, which can cause reduced water clarity and extreme fluctuations in dissolved oxygen. This harms water quality and threatens plants and animals that depend on clean water for survival. Here are 5 simple Florida-friendly fertilizing tips you can use to help protect your local water bodies. Tip 1. Check with your local government or visit watermatters.org/fertilizing101 to learn if there are any mandatory fertilizing restrictions before fertilizing. Tip 2. Test your soil. Always start with a soil test before purchasing and applying fertilizer to determine if it's really needed. Each county in Florida has an extension office that will test soil for residents. The results of the soil test can help you determine what type of fertilizer to buy and how much to apply. Tip 3. Choose slow or controlled release fertilizers. They nourish your lawn longer and help lower the amount of excess nutrients ending up in our water systems. Tip 4. Don't fertilize if heavy rain is forecasted. Too much rain can wash away much of the fertilizer's nutrients, and the runoff can carry harmful nutrients to nearby water bodies. Not only does it harm the environment, but your time and money spent fertilizing your lawn will be washed away too. Tip 5. Apply 1/4 inch of water after fertilizing, which is all that's needed for the nutrients to reach the root level. Additionally, if you irrigate with reclaimed water, you may not need to fertilize as much. Reclaimed water has nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which are also found in fertilizers. Check with your utility for more information about the amount of nutrients in your reclaimed water. For more information on fertilizing and tips to conserve and protect Florida's water, visit watermatters.org/fertilizing101.